So today is Lego building of Cinderella Castle. So we just started like a few weeks ago, and we are adding on. So.
Are you working at it?
Yep.
Oh, good. You want the light on?
Nope, we're good. So, we have some work to do. We're making this part of the castle. Gonna finish up that part. So, let's get started. We need a crown first. And we're gonna open up this drawer. Put the crown inside. Like that. Okay, so you put the crown aside. Then we're just going to. And these are all of the pieces. And we have much more. We took a coffee break because we were really thirsty. So we already finished up the swing. And half of the castle is almost done. We made a tree, like a picnic spot. All right, now we need some lipstick. And if this doesn't look like lipstick to you, that's because I'm doing this pink part for the lipstick, but look. It looks like lipstick to me. Yeah. So I'm wondering if this is like for like a balcony or something. Like you put it on top and then like the little character can sit. So most of our videos are gonna be of a little kitty named Povey, and we probably won't be able to do a video every week. So we probably will be able to do some. We'll make a new video next week, maybe on Thursday, but that's a maybe, so we don't know yet. And we also have a little ice cream cart too, so that's good. And you can find this like at the Lego store or someplace. It came out in, I think, 2018. It's 2019 now. All right. So here's the next piece that we need. The cart. So here's the next piece that we need right here. What are we making right now? Right now we are making the mirror for this top room up here. Oh, and look right here, guys. So it has like a puzzle piece to it down here. So if you stand it up, or like something, look at this. It connects. Sort of. Like so it connects a little. These are the characters. Because like this part has pointy teeth, and so does this one. The cat and the dog, and then Cinderella and the prince are somewhere. Oh, I tried, guys. It doesn't work. Cinderella and the prince. Oh, here they are. They're nowhere to be found. They are right here. All right. So now the mirror is ready. And they also have a cat and a dog. So cat and dog. There's another lipstick. Yeah, I don't know what that is for actually. Maybe it's just an extra one. Feels like rubbery on the top, but then on the bottom it feels like a Lego piece. All right, so here's the seat. Sort of looks like the skirt to a fairy or something. Yeah. All right. So this actually is supposed to spin or something. So here's the piece that we put on the bottom. Sorry, too close. There we go. And we just attach it right here. So Cinderella can sit down. Now we just need Cinderella. Testing. And it works. Beautiful. Now, let's go to the next page. Okay, now let's see. Now we need two of these. That's mine. I got thirsty. Mine is all gone. All right. Trying to get the last of it. Okay. So now, these pieces. I did this the wrong way. Oh, I'm breaking everything. It's called practice makes perfect. That's actually a lie. Okay, yeah, I accidentally took the seat apart. So I actually messed this up terribly. I terribly messed this up.
Want me to make some popcorn?
Yes, please. Popcorn break. No, it's not a popcorn break. Soon will be a popcorn break. We'll be eating and building. No, we won't. Yeah, we will. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. Ah, Lego pieces stuck to my arm. Okay. It's a beautiful. I dropped a piece. Let's go get it. Found it. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So sometimes you might hear me talking like this because that's just how I like to talk, okay, guys? Yeah. So these are the next two pieces we need. Right here. Can you see them? Yeah, these two pieces. And we're going to make something like a tree. Oh, and look what I found, guys. So two separated pieces turn into a square. No. Or a rectangle. Whatever they're called. I can't. It's called a rectangle. Yeah. Okay, next page. Another one of these. Is this really reflective? No. Not, wait, yes it is. Look at this. You can see the finger. Yeah. All right, so then we're going to put this piece right there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now we need another one. And two gold pieces. Yay, gold. Yay. I knew we were going to use something like this. I guess so. All right. Now, pink. We are going to stack these gold pieces. Sorry if my hand is in the way of the structure. There. So far that's all we've gone, and that's how far we're going to get today, because we have to have some popcorn. See you next time.